The journey begins in the vast, untamed heart of Africa, a creature of immense resilience, the hippopotamus. Its shield, a hide of legendary density. This material is sourced ethically and legally, documented under the stringent mandate of CITES Appendix II. Every step validates traceability and sustainability. The sheer scale of the raw material is daunting. Manual skinning is essential to respect the integrity of the hide, often 5 centimeters thick, preserving every natural scar and character mark. Time is critical. Preservation begins immediately as coarse $\text and ACL $salt is vigorously rubbed into the flesh side. This curing process stabilizes the leather, preparing it for refrigerated transport across continents. Arriving at the tannery's beamhouse, the hide undergoes initial purification. It is rehydrated, immersed in lime to loosen the fibers, then meticulously cleaned by the fleshing machine. The raw thickness is unworkable. Precision is paramount as the horizontal splitting machine reduces the hide to the optimal top grain layer needed for flexible crafting. Next is pickling. The hide is immersed in an acidic solution to lower the $text pH to approximately 2.5. This prepares the structure for the chemical bonding that defines permanent labor. The alchemy of chrome tanning begins. Chromium salts change the collagen structure forever. Following this, deep dyeing infuses the color, ensuring penetration through every dense fiber. Fat liquoring restores the essential oils, giving the finished leather its famous supple hand. After drying, the staking machine mechanically breaks the fibers, transforming the rigid shield into a drapable material. The final touch, buffing. The surface is meticulously sanded to create the iconic velvety finish, the Nubuck texture. This highlights the unique natural flaws and the signature mudcrack pattern. With a final quality inspection and CITES certification tag applied, the finished Nubuck hide is sealed and prepared for its ultimate destination, the hands of the master artisan.
Signature for the final package.
Thank you, got it.
The artisan's work begins with reverence. Patterns are traced to perfectly position and frame the hide's most beautiful scars. Skiving then precisely thins the edges, ensuring seams are not bulky. The pieces are assembled with measured precision. The heart of durability is the saddle stitch, a manual, rhythmic technique of 2 needles crossing, guaranteeing a seam that will never unravel. Finishing touches define luxury. The edges are painted and burnished by hand, achieving a smooth, durable seal. The signature logo is affixed and the final metal hardware secured.